So you said you went through therapies. How therapies helped you?
Therapy has helped me a lot. Like, I am here because of my therapist. Honestly,
So your therapist
I
is
rant
back in
everything
Canada
in
only?
front of him. I tell each and everything in front of him. Like, my husband doesn't know what I talk to him,
Oh.
but I think he has helped me a lot. And I still take therapy, and I enjoy that session when I'm with him, because I feel like whatever is going in my mind, I talk to him. And
It's
maybe
like a
if I talk
safe
to my husband
place.
or my family, they might not understand. And that
Yeah.
has happened when I told my mom for the first time that, I am talking to a psychosocial psychologist. Like, you don't need, move on, आगे बढ़ो,
हाँ,
मत
आगे बढ़ो,
सोचो, आगे
मत
बढ़ो. Like,
मुझसे बात कर लो।
हाँ, मुझसे बात कर लो, बट मुझे पता है कि आपको मेरी बातें नहीं समझ आएँगी। आप कहोगे कि मैं फालतू बातें कर रही हूँ। बार-बार पुरानी चीज़ों को सोचूँगी तो फिर और खराब होगा। तो आई फील लाइक कि दैट्स ओके, बिकॉज़ वो हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग ही ऐसे की गई है।
बट
तो
जितना मुझे लगता है जितना पुरानी चीज़ों को बात करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा एक्सेप्टेंस आएगी,
हाँ,
उतना ज़्यादा आप हील करोगे
हाँ,
एंड उतना
एंड यू
ज़्यादा आप
लेट
आगे
इट आउट,
बढ़ोगे।
राइट?
लेट इट
आप
आउट या
सब कुछ निकाल दोगे। So I think that's what I feel we need to accept, that it's okay to take a
I
therapy.
think
It's okay to
India
talk.
there is no organization who are working on
Mental
do you
illness.
know mental illness of cancer patient or something? Are there any organization?
इंडिया में तो मुझे वैसे भी कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस नहीं मिली ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ तो, बिकॉज आई वाज हियर for like almost 2 months, and I wanted to reach out to a lot of organizations for World Cancer Day.
Yeah, you
But
told me, yes.
obviously, for me, it's just not that one single day. It's like cancer should be
Yeah.
talked every single day, that we can educate our families, our kids, and
Yes,
everyone.
right.
So I was talking to someone, and they're like, no, we are covering the story only for World Cancer Day, 4th Feb को ही कर रहे हैं. I'm like, you know, ठीक है, आप कर रहे हो, which is good, but I think you should do something on it. Do you know every month has a different type of cancer? Like, there are cervical cancer
Hmm.
days, there are breast cancer days, there are lymphoma days, there are blood cancer days. So every month is different.
Right.
Feb is a childhood cancer awareness month.
Oh,
So over
nobody
there
was
we say
aware.
about it, like we talk
Yeah.
about it, we share stories of kids, we share, these information, like, child cancer awareness month hota hai. So I think ये सब चीजें हम नहीं करते. We do
इंडिया
celebrate
में
good
पता
days.
ही नहीं है।
We celebrate a lot of other things. Obviously, I don't want to
Yeah.
talk about those things कि इंडिया में कुछ और ही चलता है, celebrity हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. But why don't you do open conversation about these topics?
But there, now talking to you, I'm really understanding if any child go through all this, उनके parents का तो it would have, they must be going through disaster,
Hmm, hmm.
and they don't have any support group.
Over there, I have an organization where I'm like part of it, which is called Young Adult Cancer Canada, which is
Oh.
from 0 to 39.
Hmm.
And one of the nurses told me about it, because I was sitting in a room and I was like, why it's me in the room? Like, the young person, sab to
Yeah.
aas-paas old hai, aged hai. She's like, no, there are other people too. It's just that your timings and that timings are not
Not
matching, but
much.
you should join this organization. We have young adults, and they are doing amazing, right? It was started by a young adult itself. He was diagnosed at the age of 20, and he started this organization, and now there are like 5,000 to 10,000 people in that organization. And it's like a
India
Facebook
needs
group.
lots